Alright, so we're supposed to figure out which form they are based on the clues they've given us. Determine which form of the quadratic function would be most efficient to write the function using given information. So in the blanks it says write standard, factored, or none of these forms. Let's do D together. I have 3 order pairs, so these are not formulas or equations. Some students were telling me, Mr. Ng, it has 3 order pairs, or 3 parentheses, and we don't have one that has 3 parentheses. Well, the reason why it's none of these is because, it's not the word none, it's because these are order pairs, they're not formulas. So now if I actually graph these order pairs, write 3, up 3, write 4, up 3, write 4, up 3, and then write 5, up 3. I have 3 dots in a line. Class, is that quadratic? No. So the answer is none. It's a line. It's a horizontal line. It's a horizontal line with no slope. E. Oh, this is good. X-intercept. X-intercept. On your foldable, point to the one that has x-intercepts. Show your partner. On the count of 3, we're going to say the form. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Factored form. That's the big idea for factored form. So if you don't have that on your foldable, highlight the word x-intercept. Okay? Now, if you didn't understand that, you can always graph the order pairs. 7.90, so that's to the right. 7.9 and stay. Negative 7.90 and stay. And then you have this other pair, negative 4, 4. So it might look something like this. And that third order pair there is just to help you understand that it's graphed up, not super important to us. Whoops, I graphed it on the wrong graph. But the big idea is that these are x-intercepts, and that tells us this is the factored form. Factored form. Alright, we got D, we got E. Let's do F. Sorry, I used the wrong graph. Let's do it on this one. Roots. Not sure what a root is, but it gives me an order pair, so let's graph it. 3, 0. And then another root at 12, 0. Oh, look. They're crossing this line. What is this line called, class? X. And someone just said x-intercepts. And a point 10, 2. Okay, I don't really care what the graph looks like. The big idea is that you see the word roots. Roots are another word for x-intercepts. You can write that on your sheets. Let's write that. Roots. Roots and x-intercepts are the same, so you're going to use factored form. So just as like superly summarize it, right? Like less words as possible. Mr. Ng, you're saying when you have dots here on this line, then it's factored form? The answer is yes. Okay. All right, last problem. Max hits a baseball off a tee that is 3 feet high. Oh, word problem. So there's the tee, 3 feet high. And the tee ball is probably going to look something like this, right? It's quadratic. The ball reaches a maximum height of 20. So it's saying this is 20. 20. When it is 15 feet away from the tee. So here it is 15 feet. Okay, so if it's 15 feet away from the tee, let's see if I can super zoom in my best I can. Give it a second to focus. This is 3. That's the height of the tee ball at 20 feet, and this is 15 feet away. So if it's 15 feet away, that's the x. And if it's 20 feet high, that is the highest point. That's my y value. So I have 1520 of a parabola. It's the maximum height. Another word for maximum is vertex. HK. What form is that, class? Vertex form. Okay, so 4 examples, using the clues, trying to use my foldable, and then I can figure out the rest of those.